everyone, hope you're all well. Remember, staying home is staying safe. Today I'm going to do a little cooking activity for you. We're going to be making some healthy wraps that you could have for lunch or morning tea. And while we're making them, we're going to be practicing the signs for all the different things we're going to be using. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be using is cucumber. Cucumber. The next thing is lettuce. Lettuce. And some cheese. Cheese. And bread. Bread. What's the first thing we have to do before we do any kind of cooking? Wash our hands. And of course, I have washed my hands. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking one of our lovely fresh pieces of bread. Pieces of bread. I've chosen a wrap today. First, I'm going to start with my lettuce. Lettuce. And I've cut off a little piece, and of course I have washed it. So it's all nice and clean. So I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce there on my wrap. Delicious. We have lots of lettuce growing in our school garden. Now I'm going to cut the cucumber. You might need your mum, your dad, a carer to help you with this. At school we use a safety knife. Here I'm just going to use one of my knives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices of cucumber. Cucumber. Okay, I'll pop my slices on the wrap. Yum. What's next? Cheese. The sign for cheese, cheese, cheese. So I think I'll use 2 slices today. Break that in half. 1 slice. And a second slice. Can you all see that on my wrap? Now for the tricky part, I'm going to roll it and cut it so it's easier to eat. There, a lovely healthy lunch.